Come with me to make a color-themed activity basket for my 2-year-old toddler. As always, you can make this simple DIY activity basket at home using green toys you already own. What I did was go through all of our toy bins and pick out toys that are baby-friendly. Our first activity bin was filled with random things that were green, including that talking cactus that repeats anything and everything you say. We even included a ball toss to work on their hand-eye coordination, and as always, we went with their flow before moving on to the next thing. We then brought out the activity bin that is divided into 6 sections. I did try to add 6 different toys each time we bring this out that can be used to build or create. My 4-year-old is always allowed to join in and shows his 2-year-old sister how things could be done. Even though these color baskets are for her, it's great review for him. The next activity bin involved all the green food we own. This bin has been a great way to introduce food names and their food color. Our final bin was filled with the green flashcard, green crayons and markers, and a green coloring page. My 2-year-old played with everything throughout the day and had a lot of fun.